Hi, Colin with Diode Dynamics. Today we're going to show you how to install our LED Sidemarker replacements on a 2015 and up Dodge Charger. These are available in red and amber options or a smoked and clear option. Let's get started. We're going to start our installation on the driver's side rear. We're going to need to remove 4 plastic retaining clips using our trim removal tool. There'll be 2 on the bottom and 1 on either side of the Sidemarker. After those are removed, we're going to be using our pry tool to peel back the fender liner. There'll be 2 plastic retainers holding the fender liner to the bumper. We're going to want to take that pry tool and push it towards the inside of the vehicle away from the bumper. After our fender liner is peeled back, we're going to be removing the 10mm bolt that holds the bumper to the quarter panel so that we can peel the bumper back and gain easier access to the back of our OEM Sidemarker. Now that we have our bumper peeled back, we're going to go ahead and remove the 2 T25 screws that are on the back of the OEM Sidemarker and also disconnect the factory connector. And then our Sidemarker will come right out. Now we're going to take our Diode Dynamics LED replacement, plug it into the factory connector, and then turn on the vehicle to make sure everything's functioning properly before we can install everything the same way you took it off. Moving on to the front of the vehicle, the steps for removing the OEM Sidemarker are similar to the rear, but we're going to start by using our trim removal tool to remove 5 plastic retaining clips so that we can peel the fender liner back. The next step to removing the fender liner is starting from the bottom. There's a piece that overlaps the fender liner. We're going to want to pull that down and then pull the fender liner up and over the top of it. Now we're going to grab our trim removal tool. We're going to use it to pry the retaining clip on the fender liner to push it away from the front bumper. Now from this angle it's going to be difficult to show on camera, but much like the rear bumper, we're going to be removing 2 T25 screws that hold the OEM Sidemarker to the front bumper. Now we can pull the Sidemarker out of the front bumper and remove the factory connector. Take our LED replacement and plug it into the factory connector and then button everything back up. As you can see, with our LED Sidemarker replacements installed on the vehicle, not only do you get a crisp modern LED look, but you also get an increase in light output, making it easier for other vehicles to see you on the road. Now again, these are available in your choice of clear smoked or red and amber OEM lens color options. Let us know in the comments below which one you would choose. If you're looking to pick up a set of LED Sidemarkers for your Charger or any of our other products, visit our website at DodeDynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.